If you've been searching for a natural way to cleanse your kidneys, fight chronic kidney disease, and restore your health, you're in for a shocking revelation. It turns out that 3 ordinary fruits could be the secret weapons your kidneys need to function better, eliminate toxins, and slow the progression of CKD. These simple fruits, available in almost every grocery store, have incredible detoxifying abilities that can help flush out harmful waste, reduce inflammation, and even prevent kidney stones. The best part is that they work best when eaten first thing in the morning. In this eye-opening video, we will dive deep into how these 3 fruits help your kidneys detox naturally, the science behind their kidney cleansing power, the best ways to consume them for maximum benefits, and a powerful morning detox routine that could change your life. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries aren't just for Thanksgiving. They are one of the most powerful natural kidney detoxifiers on the planet. Cranberries flush out toxins because they contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. They prevent kidney stones because they are high in citric acid, which helps dissolve calcium oxalate stones, a leading cause of kidney problems. Their rich antioxidant content protects kidney cells from damage and lowers oxidative stress. They also lower uric acid levels, which, when too high, can lead to kidney stones and gout. Cranberries help flush it out naturally. Studies show that regular cranberry consumption can reduce the risk of urinary tract infections by 26%, which is great news for kidney health. The best ways to eat cranberries in the morning include drinking unsweetened cranberry juice with warm water for a morning kidney flush, adding fresh cranberries to a smoothie or eating a handful with breakfast, and mixing cranberry powder with water or adding it to oatmeal for an easy kidney cleanse. 2. Watermelon. Watermelon isn't just a refreshing summer treat, it is a kidney healing powerhouse. This juicy fruit is 92% water, making it one of the best natural ways to flush out toxins and hydrate your kidneys. Watermelon is ultra hydrating, and proper hydration is key for kidney function. Its high water content helps your kidneys filter out waste efficiently. It acts as a natural diuretic by increasing urine production, helping to eliminate toxins and excess sodium. It is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that helps reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and protect kidney function. Its high water content helps your kidneys filter out waste efficiently. It acts as a natural diuretic by increasing urine production, helping to eliminate toxins and excess sodium. It is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that helps reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and protect kidney function. It prevents kidney stones because its alkaline nature helps neutralize acidic waste that can lead to stones. It lowers blood pressure, which is a major cause of CKD, and its potassium content helps regulate it naturally. Incredibly, watermelon contains more lycopene than tomatoes, an antioxidant that protects kidney cells from damage. To best enjoy the benefits of watermelon, you can eat it in the morning, including eating slices of fresh watermelon on an empty stomach for best results, blending fresh watermelon into juice and drinking it first thing in the morning, or blending it with other kidney-friendly fruits like cranberries and lemon in a smoothie. 3. Lemon. Lemons are nature's kidney cleanser, packed with citric acid, antioxidants, and vitamin C, all essential for flushing out toxins and preventing kidney stones. Lemons dissolve kidney stones because citric acid breaks down calcium deposits, preventing painful kidney stones. They act as powerful alkalizers, reducing acidity in the body, which can stress the kidneys. They are rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and reduces inflammation in the kidneys. They increase urine production as natural diuretics, helping to flush out toxins. They support liver function because a healthy liver takes stress off your kidneys, and lemons help detox the liver too. One lemon contains about 31 milligrams of vitamin C, which helps lower creatinine levels, a key indicator of kidney function. First thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, you can choose to squeeze half a lemon into warm water and drink it. You can also mix lemon juice with warm water and honey for additional benefits and add fresh lemon juice to your morning smoothie. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Have a bowl of watermelon or drink fresh watermelon juice. Eat a handful of cranberries or drink unsweetened cranberry juice. Take a 10-minute walk to boost circulation and kidney function. Avoid processed foods, reduce sodium intake, and drink at least 8 glasses of water daily for optimal kidney health. By starting your day with these 3 miracle fruits, you'll give your kidneys the nutrients and hydration they need to function at their best. So, what are you waiting for? Try this kidney detox plan tomorrow morning and start your journey toward better kidney health today. If you found this information valuable, hit the like button, share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving health tips.